Okay, on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a remote control thermostat to your P TAC, Samana P TAC. Very simple. Okay, first you need to take off the cover here. And we get this part here. This is the receiver. Okay, right here, this just plugs into right here. This end of this terminal here, it plugs into here. It only goes in one way. Just plug it in there so you hear the click. Okay, what we do here is you hold the off button, hold it down until you see an L come up. Then once you see that L come up, then you're gonna hit on the bottom of a thermostat. You're going to click this reset button right there. Click the reset button right there until you see the LR. Then when you see the LR, you're going to hit the off again till it says ready. Once it's ready, you're going to see that 49 or whatever the temperature is, and you're going to hit temperature up. There it is there. Now it's remotely hooked up to this, so now you can control the temperature on this with the remote. You put this on the wall, so when I hit this up button, it changes that higher. Want to go lower. So now it's remotely hooked up. It's very simple to do. It's on the Manos. Now let's go hook up our thermostat on the other side of the wall. We're going to hook it up over here on this side. I already mounted the bracket. So all you do here, once you mount the bracket, there's no wires needed, it's a remote. So just snap it in. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.